Hello, everyone. How are you today?
Hello! We are very happy you are here. Welcome to our channel.
This is English Motivated, a place to learn English in a simple way.
Today's topic is very important. We will talk about your future plan in English.
Everyone thinks about the future. Sometimes we feel confused. Sometimes we feel excited.
Yes, the future is not always clear, but we still dream.
Some people have big dreams. Some people have small plans. Both are okay.
Oh, that's true. Every dream matters.
Your future starts with small steps today, not tomorrow, today.
Yes, small actions can create big change.
In this video, we will talk in simple English. You can listen and learn.
You can also speak with us and think about your own future.
If you want to improve your English daily, subscribe to English Motivated.
Yes, stay with us. Learn step by step.
When I think about the future, I feel many things at the same time. Sometimes I feel confused, and sometimes I feel excited.
Yes, the future is not always clear, but it is full of possibilities.
Exactly. The future is like an open road. We do not know where it will lead.
Oh, that is a nice way to say it. An open road means we can choose our direction.
Yes, but sometimes choosing a direction feels difficult. There are too many options.
That is true. Many people feel pressure when they think about their future.
I also feel that pressure sometimes, like I need to decide everything quickly.
But we do not need to rush. The future is built step by step.
Wow, that sounds simple, but it is very powerful. Small steps create big results.
Yes, a dream is something we imagine. A plan is something we do.
Oh, that is an important difference. Dreams give us direction, but plans give us action.
Exactly. For example, I have a dream to speak English fluently, but my plan is to practice every day.
That is a perfect example. I also want to improve my English communication, so I listen, speak, and repeat daily.
Consistency is very important. Not perfection, but consistency.
Yes, many people wait for the perfect time, but the perfect time never comes.
That is true. We need to start with what we have.
Sometimes I feel afraid of failure. What if I cannot reach my goal?
Oh, that feeling is normal. Everyone feels that at some point.
So, what should we do then? Stop or continue?
We should continue. Failure is not the end, it is part of the process.
Wow, that changes my mindset. Failure becomes a lesson, not a problem.
Yes, every mistake teaches us something valuable. That helps us grow.
Growth is important for the future. If we improve every day, our future becomes stronger.
Exactly. Your future is not only about big success, it is also about daily improvement.
Sometimes people compare their future with others. That makes them feel bad.
Yes, comparison can destroy confidence. Everyone has a different journey.
So, we should focus on our own path, not someone else's path.
Exactly. Your life is unique. Your future is also unique.
That gives me peace. I don't need to follow everyone.
Yes, you need to understand yourself, what you like, what you want.
Understanding yourself is not easy, but it is important.
Take your time. Self-discovery is a process.
Wow, that word is strong. Process. It means we are always learning.
Yes, the future is not fixed. We can shape it.
Shape it. I like that idea. We are not stuck.
Exactly. Your actions today create your tomorrow.
So, if I study today, my future will be better.
Yes, if you practice English today, you will speak better tomorrow.
That is simple and clear. Future depends on present actions.
That is the key idea. Focus on today.
Sometimes I feel lost, like I don't know what to do next.
That happens to everyone. You are not alone.
So, what can I do in that moment?
Start small. Do one simple thing.
Like reading one page or learning 5 words?
Yes, that's a great start. Small actions build momentum.
Momentum. That means moving forward slowly.
Exactly. Step by step. No pressure.
I like that idea. No pressure, just progress.
Yes, a calm mind works better.
Future planning should not be stressful. It should be meaningful.
Exactly. Your future should make you feel alive.
Wow, that is powerful. Not just success, but meaning.
Yes, a meaningful life is more important than a perfect life.
I understand now. Future is not about being perfect. It is about growing.
Exactly. Grow slowly. Grow steadily.
I feel more relaxed now. Future does not feel scary anymore.
That is good. A calm mind creates a clear future.
When we talk about the future, we also need to talk about action.
Yes, because without action, a dream stays only a dream.
That means dreaming is not enough. We must take steps.
Exactly. Even a small action is important. It creates movement.
Sometimes people wait for motivation. They say, I will start tomorrow.
Oh, that is very common. But waiting too long can stop progress.
So what should we do? Start even if we don't feel ready?
Yes, start before you feel ready. Confidence comes after action.
Wow, that is powerful. Action builds confidence, not the opposite.
Exactly. When you do something every day, you begin to believe in yourself.
Belief is very important. Without belief, it is hard to continue.
Yes, self-belief gives you strength, even on difficult days.
Sometimes I feel lazy. I don't want to study or practice.
That is normal. Everyone feels lazy sometimes.
So how can I stay consistent?
Make it simple. Don't make it too hard.
Simple like what?
For example, learn 5 new words every day, or speak for 5 minutes.
Oh, that feels easy. Not too much pressure.
Exactly. No pressure learning is powerful. You enjoy the process more.
Enjoying the process is important. Otherwise, we stop quickly.
Yes, if you enjoy learning, you will continue longer.
Sometimes I compare my progress with others. Then I feel slow.
Oh, that can hurt your confidence. Everyone has a different speed.
So I should focus only on myself?
Yes, focus on your own improvement, not someone else's success.
That makes sense. My journey is my responsibility.
Exactly. Take ownership of your growth.
Sometimes I feel like giving up when things are difficult.
That is a critical moment. You must decide, stop or continue.
And the right choice is to continue, even slowly.
Yes, slow progress is still progress. Never forget that.
Wow, that line gives me strength. I don't need to be fast.
Exactly. You only need to be consistent. That is the key.
Consistency creates results, not talent alone.
Yes, talent can help, but practice builds success.
Sometimes I feel unsure about my future, like I don't have a clear plan.
That is okay. Clarity comes with action.
So I don't need a perfect plan?
No, you need a simple plan. Start small.
That makes it easier. No perfection, just action.
Exactly. Take one step today, then take another tomorrow.
Step by step, we build our future.
Yes, and don't forget to believe in yourself.
Belief gives energy. It keeps us moving.
And remember, you are capable of growth.
Wow, that word capable feels strong. It means I can improve.
Yes, you are not fixed. You can change and grow.
That idea changes everything. My future is not limited.
Exactly. Your future has no fixed limit.
If I work today, I can create a better tomorrow.
Yes, that is the power of daily action.
If you believe in your future, like and share this video.
And keep learning every day. Stay consistent.